What if I told you that the secret to slowing down aging, boosting your energy, and protecting your cells comes down to one single molecule that's already inside your body right now? A molecule that scientists call NAD+. The catch: as you get older, your body makes less and less of it. And that decline might just be one of the biggest reasons we age. Today, we are diving deep into NAD+, the molecule of life, and how you can naturally boost it to slow down aging. Let's start simple. NAD+ stands for nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. Sounds complicated, right? But think of it like this. NAD+ is your body spark plug. Just like a car can't run without a spark to ignite the engine, your cells can't produce energy without NAD+. Every heartbeat, every step you take, every thought in your brain, all of it requires energy. That energy is produced inside your cells by tiny power plants called mitochondria. And NAD+ is the key that turns those power plants on. Without enough NAD+, your mitochondria can't work properly, and your cells start losing power. Less power at the cellular level means less energy, slower repair, and, ultimately, aging. But energy production isn't the only reason NAD+ is so important. NAD+ also helps repair your DNA. Think about your DNA like a library of life instructions. Every day, your DNA gets tiny amounts of damage from stress, pollution, UV rays, even from normal breathing. NAD+ activates special repair proteins, called sirtuins and PARPs, that fix this DNA damage. NAD+? No repair crew. Over time, that damage piles up, like cracks in a building foundation, leading to aging and age-related diseases. That's why scientists are calling NAD+ a central key to longevity. Asterisk. Here's the bad news. NAD+ levels don't stay the same throughout life. In fact, research shows that by the time you hit 50, your NAD+ levels may drop by almost 50%. By 70, they're barely half of what you had in your 20s. This decline is linked to slower metabolism, weaker muscles, lower energy, brain fog, and even chronic diseases like diabetes, Alzheimer's, and heart disease. Scientists believe that NAD+ decline isn't just a symptom of aging, it's actually one of the drivers of aging itself. Asterisk. Now here's the exciting part. Scientists have discovered ways to boost NAD+ levels, not just with supplements, but through simple lifestyle habits. Let's look at the most powerful natural strategies backed by research. 1. Exercise. Regular physical activity is one of the strongest boosters of NAD+. When you exercise, your muscles demand more energy, and your body responds by producing more NAD+. It's like telling your cells, hey, we need more spark plugs. Whether it's jogging, cycling, or even strength training, movement keeps your NAD+ engine running. 2. Intermittent fasting and calorie restriction. Eating less, or spacing out your meals, also boosts NAD+. When your body gets a break from constant eating, it shifts into repair mode. Studies show that fasting increases NAD+ and activates sirtuins, those DNA repair proteins we talked about earlier. That's why fasting is linked to longer lifespans in many animal studies. 3. Healthy diet. Certain foods provide building blocks for NAD+. These include whole grains, fish, chicken, dairy, mushrooms, and especially green vegetables. They're rich in vitamin B3, also known as niacin, which your body converts into NAD+ precursors. 4. Sleep and stress management. Never underestimate sleep. Poor sleep drains NAD+ by increasing oxidative stress. On the flip side, good sleep helps preserve NAD+ and keeps your sirtuins active. Stress also depletes NAD+, so relaxation practices like meditation or yoga help keep your cellular batteries charged. 5. Sunlight in moderation. Too much UV light damages your DNA and consumes NAD+ rapidly. That's why sun protection matters. A little sunlight is healthy for vitamin D, but avoid overexposure. Think of it as protecting your body's NAD+ savings account. What about supplements? Now, you might have heard about NAD+ supplements like NR, nicotinamide riboside, and NMN, nicotinamide mononucleotide. Research shows these precursors can raise NAD+ levels in animals, and early human studies are promising. But remember, supplements are still being researched, and they're not magic pills. The foundation will always be lifestyle, exercise, fasting, sleep, and diet. Why this matters for you? Here's the bottom line. Aging isn't just about wrinkles on your skin, it's happening deep inside your cells. NAD+ is like the master switch of cellular health. Keep it high, and your cells have the energy and repair systems to keep you strong, sharp, and youthful. Let it decline, and your body starts to break down. The best news? You don't need to wait for expensive treatments. You can start today. Move your body, eat smart, sleep well, and give your cells the fuel they've been craving. So, what do you think? Have you heard about NAD+ before? Do you already practice fasting, exercise, or other ways to keep your cells healthy? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to stay young and healthy. Because here at Cellular Vitality, we are all about helping you unlock the secrets to a longer, healthier life.